Hey guys, it's Miss Albanese. I'm going to talk to you about lesson one in a brand new module, module 7. And module 7 is all about word problems. We've done a lot of word problems, and this is just more practice for that. Those are the kinds of problems that you see in your everyday life, and they're the ones that you'll use the most. So, there's no concept development part of this. So this video is going to be very short. I'm just going to give you an example of the very first problem and how to go about working it. The instructions say to use the RDW process. Remember, that means read, draw, write. So in every one of these, you're going to read the problem, you're going to draw an example, and you're going to write your thinking. So you're going to have a sentence with every one of these. Okay? It helps us to solve problems. And this problem is about a girl named Lena who visited an orchard. They also ask us to use a letter to represent the unknown in each problem. Okay, we've done that before, so that shouldn't be confusing. Let's see, part A, Lena's family buys 2 adult tickets and 2 child tickets for the hayride. How much does it cost Lena's family to go on the hayride? Okay, so 2 adults and 2 children on a hayride. Let's look and see what we've got here. It talks about the cost of the hayride here. On the sign, it says adult tickets are $7 each and children's tickets are $4 each. So I'm going to want to type in 7 times 2 equals. Now we know that 7 times 2 equals what? Let's see. 7, 14. Okay, and then the children's tickets, how many of those did they buy? They bought also 2 of those. And they are $4 times 2, because they bought 2 of them. And that equals, let's see, 4, 8. $8. So it costs the adults $14 and the children $8. But it wants to know in total how much Lena's family paid to go on the hayride. So we've got to take it apart or put it together. We have to put it together because they want to know how much in all. So then we have to take the $14 and add it, add the $8. And we have to figure, okay, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. It cost them $22 to go on the hayride. And that's the written part of it. Now we could have drawn a tape diagram. We could have done, all kinds of different strategies, but the one I chose was multiplication. So, next thing we want to do is write a sentence, because remember, it's read, draw, write. So, let's see, I need to write a sentence. It cost Lena's family $22 to go on the hayride. Okay, so there's my sentence. That's all you have to do on these. You just have to make sure that you always read the instructions all the way through, because as you notice, there were 3 parts to that that problem, and none of these problems are just going to have one part, right? Because we're 3rd graders. 3rd graders don't do 1 parts. They do 2 and 3 and maybe even 4-part problems. So read every bit of it. The next one says, Lena's mom pays for the tickets with $5 bills. She receives $3 in change. How many $5 bills does Lena's mom use to pay for the hayride? That sounds like a really good thing to draw. Maybe a, let's see. I think drawing a picture would be good. Maybe draw $5 bills until you've got enough. And you can count by what? $5 bills, you're going to count by fives. So you're going to have to make sure that you draw enough $5 bills to cover $22. You're actually going to have $3 too many in your $5 bills. But that will tell you how many $5 bills Lena's mom used to pay for the hayride, and she got $3 back in change. So draw the $5 bills, see how many it takes, and then write a sentence answering the question. All right, guys, the rest of it's up to you. If you need any help, be sure to call me or Dojo me, and I will be happy to help. Talk to you tomorrow.